Thief, when thief come to your store, your shop, your office, your land, your premises, anywhere that you want to secure, that you don't want thief to enter, this is a remedy that you can do to trap down thief. But this remedy has side effects. At the end of the video, I will tell you the side effects. This is a powerful remedy to help you to trap down thieves. It helps you to trap down thief. When thief come to your store, your shop, your office, your land, your premises, anywhere that you want to secure, that you don't want thief to enter, this is a remedy that you can do to trap down thief. How do you do this? Go and get agama lizard. That is the male lizard, the male lizard that have red head. The male lizard that have red head is what you need to get. Remove the head, just remove the head. Then take female cowrie. Female cowrie, ask them in the market to give you female cowrie. Female cowrie is always very small. Take the female cowrie, open the mouth of the lizard and put it inside the live lizard that you have removed the head. It is fresh lizard that you're going to use, and remove the head. Put the female cowrie inside, just one. Now, if you are a woman, take 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it in the mouth of the lizard too. If you are a man, take 9 pieces of alligator pepper, put it in the mouth of the lizard. Now take cotton wool, place it inside cotton wool and use black and white thread to tie it together. Use black and white thread to tie it together. As you are tying it, be praying that any thief, anybody that enters into your office, your shop, without your knowledge, with the intention of stealing anything, let the person remain there until you come. This is my own. See how, when you tie it, this is how it's going to be. You see it? This is my own. So when you tie it, after tying it, you hang it inside your store. Just look for a place and hang it and hide it. Or you will bury it at the entrance of your store, the entrance of your land, or the entrance of your shop. You will bury it or you hang it. That's all. Whenever somebody enters without your consent, the person will be there unconscious until you come. The person will be there unconscious until you come. The only side effect of this thing is that you must be going to your shop every day, or you must make sure that you go to your shop every day. Why? Is that if you are not the type that goes to open your shop every time and you have the medicine inside your shop, if burglars enter your shop to go and thief anything and the medicine hooks them that place, if your medicine traps them in that shop and you did not go to that shop for 3 days, the person will buy inside your shop. If it is like if you have a warehouse that you don't go to every day, you don't do it, because if the thing traps